I need meat, guys, I need meat. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Day 3 of VE Day. Food. What I used to eat during the war. Now, my last 2 videos I've done. I've done a trench stew. And I've done, yesterday was a potato, curried potato. But I really need meat, proper meat. So I thought, well, what did I do with meat? How did I get it? Because it's all ration, weren't it? Obviously they hunt, don't they? Rabbits, deer, I suppose. All fishing. So I thought, let's do a curried cod. That's what we're going to do, guys, curried cod. I'll leave the recipe on the screen. I found one that's you can read properly from the olden days. I'll leave the recipe on the screen. We're going to follow the recipe and we're going to see what it comes out like. So, let me show you what I've done. This is what I've got, guys. I prepared everything already. I went fishing up Tesco's and caught myself 2 pieces of cod. There, I was £5.50 or something for 2 bits of cod. You want to fill that up with some water. You want to put that in the pan, skin side down, put some water and a little bit of sugar in there. For me, vegetables and everything, I've got a leek instead of an onion, me apple, 1 tomato sliced and diced, me curry powder, I'm using hot, me flour, I'm going to use for the root veg, I'm going to use carrot, radish, and I'm having garden peas, because I've had enough of sweet and everything this week already. So I've got 1 carrot. What I've done is I've diced half of it, and I've grated half of it. I'm going to grate that towards the end on the top. I've got 1 radish, which I've just thinly sliced, and I got my garden peas, guys. Something a little bit different, and I'm having it with some rice. Rice is already done. It's just keeping warm. So it's nice and simple. First things first, if you want to salt the old cod, bit of salt. Obviously, we've got to be a bit careful with it, because it's during the war. During the war. Good old Uncle Albert, eh? And I'll tell you something, the food I've had the last couple of days, I'm still full now, you know. I really am. So it does work, it does fill you right up. Get the pan on. We want to get your fish in, skin side down. Just enough water to cover. And your sugar. Now we want to bring that to a boil and simmer for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, guys, that's been. We've got to get it out and we've got to discard the water. Now I think you probably discard the water, obviously because they're cooking them fresh, ain't they? But I suppose you could just use that water anyway, couldn't you? But we're going to follow the instructions. It's nice and flaky. Now we need to get our lard in. Tablespoon of lard, or fat, or rind, or whatever you use. Obviously during the war. And in the meantime, we will chop our fish up. Something like that. It's hot. Now it says this is going to take about 45 minutes an hour. No way. It's going to take about 10 minutes, this is. I mean, it's virtually done, ain't it, so. But I suppose if you're doing a fresh one, that freshly caught, be a bit different. Get your leeks in, or your onion. I've had onion in all week, so I thought, well, I'll have a leek, and I do like a leek anyway. Okay, tomato in. Apple. They usually put apple in quite a lot of stuff. It's because you can just grow them easy, can't you? Get all the apple in, chops up. Give it a mix. Now I'm using, guys, vegetable stock. I haven't got no fish stock or anything. Curry powder first. I'm using hot one again. Flour. Mix it together. So the one I done yesterday needed more curry powder. But needs must, I suppose. Needs must. You're in the war. Gradually add your stock. 500 ml, 2 cups. Get all that goodness off the bottom. So yeah, I'm sick of parsnips and potatoes and all that. I need meat. Okay, now you want your rest of your vegetables in. So the half of my carrots, my peas. I'm going to use the water out of the peas as well. I want to get my fish back in, guys. Like so. I'll sprinkle some radish in there. You could call this, couldn't you, an allotment fish curry. And we'll grate a bit of carrot on top. Like so. And we'll put the lid on and we'll cook it. It ain't going to take long until it's done. I reckon it's going to take about 5 minutes, that. Maybe that might be too long. Okay, guys, we are done. It's a little bit watery. But otherwise, my fish is going to disintegrate. We've just had as well 2 Spitfires fly over the house. I didn't catch it on camera. That said, was that Spitfire? I didn't even hear it. There was that loud, but never mind. Anyway, let's dish up, guys. So, there it is. We'll start off with my rice first. I'll get a spoonful of rice, which I've just dropped everywhere. A little bit more than that. I've done this rice because Nat's having just because her mouth's killing her, bless her. When she had a tough done. She's just having one of them canned, what they're called, canned chicken tikka curries. That's what Nat's having. So let's get some of this first, this goodness. Get some goodness on the side of your plate, and then we'll grab the fish out. Don't look the best, does it, to be honest with you? And I've got some carrot left, so we just sprinkle a bit of carrot on top. Because it's all not the waste, is it? And there we go, guys. Allotment curried World War II food. Yeah, there it is. If you see a closer look now. It don't look the best, does it? But it's all in the taste, isn't it? It's all about surviving. I don't expect much curry flavour, to be honest with you. With, what was it, half a tablespoon or something. Let's get into the fish first. Yeah, just fish. And the skin. How popular was curry during the Second World War? Was it very popular? I know they used to have it, but I don't know how popular it was. Probably wasn't that popular, was it, to be honest with Yeah, there's no flavour in that at all. Curry-wise, I mean. But is it a nutritious meal? Of course it is, isn't it? So I suppose that's what it's all about. I suppose if you was rationing and you could put more curry in, you would. It's eatable. A bit more salt than that, I suppose, on there and you'll be fine. As a like a nowadays thing. So guys, there we go. Day 3. Going live tomorrow for day 4. It might be a bit earlier. It probably will actually. Than the 1 o'clock thing. So, until tomorrow's live, guys, it's a like, it's a subscribe. Now that, I really enjoyed. Not because of the curry flavour, there wasn't any. But as a meal, that was lovely. I really enjoyed that. If you make that yourself, I'm going to make that myself again on a video. But I'm going to put like a couple of tablespoons of curry powder in there. Because that was really nice. If it had that curry flavour, and obviously if you fried the fish skin first, bit of butter and that, and get it all nice and all that stuff, that'd be really delicious. So guys, I recommend trying that, but obviously do your fish and your curry sauce how you like it. Because as a meal, I really enjoyed it. Anyway guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.